That looks nice and juicy. Yummy. Ooh, can't wait to give that a try. Alright, say bye. Here we go again. Time to go get Chad. Alright. Let's take a quick peek in here. Say bye, Coda. Bye. Say bye. Alright, you guys. Well, anyway, let's go get in the car and go get Chad. See you in a few.
I'm here.
He's here.
No, I'm not.
No, he's not. He's here.
Okay.
I got him.
That's true.
And we're waiting for our lunch place to open. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Alright. Well, anyway, I just wanted to have him say hi.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to know what? You
What?
guys ready? You want to know what our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day is? You want to know?
Yeah.
You want to tell him?
Sure.
Okay, let's get out and tell him real quick.
Okay.
It is China Mama. It's been so long. Chap and I were here a really long time ago. And we're gonna give it a try again and see if it's what I remember. But we gotta wait a few minutes while they open. So anyway, we'll be back because we're waiting. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, sitting here looking at the menu.
It
Looks
looks
delicious.
good.
I'm really excited to try it. And Chad and I, we love soup dumplings. And I see that they have soup dumplings here. I think we're gonna try that too, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good.
Hello,
Hi.
are you ready to order?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what would you like?
Well, actually, what's popular?
Popular?
Yeah, what do people like to order from here?
Most American, they like this one, they
Crispy
like
beef?
this one,
Yeah, that's our
pasticker, yeah.
Hmm.
Also Mongolian beef is very popular.
Mongolian beef sounds good. You
Sesame
guys,
chicken, old chicken, you know.
oh, we have crispy duck. Okay, let's see. What do you think, Chad? Oh,
I'm looking at the chow mein,
The chow
crispy
mein.
beef, or the rice dishes.
well, okay.
fried
We can
rice.
get a chow mein.
Okay.
Okay. We can get a crispy beef,
Okay.
Are you first time here?
and it's my second. It's been a very long time
Very long
though.
time.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's after the new management or before that?
Probably before that.
It was 3
Yeah.
years ago, 4 years ago.
Longer than that.
Longer than that, so now you are the
Yeah.
first time here.
Pretty much the first time then, I
You
guess.
are.
Yeah.
Because they changed the menu, you know.
Oh, did they?
Yeah.
Yeah. I want to try the
Steamed juicy one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a very popular one.
Yeah. Do they make it fresh here?
Yeah, it's made to order.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so you don't have to worry about that.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right. Cool. All right, we'll be back when the food comes.
Yeah.
Yay! All right. Oh, the soup dumplings.
Yes.
Oh my goodness gracious, that looks so delicious. I like that. You get 8 of them. Oh yeah. Oh, so soft. Oh. It broke already. No. It stuck to my. All right, so the soup dumplings came. I stole one out already. And then we got some little dishes right here. And some little sauce. I think this, let's see. This is I believe it's like a vinegar sauce. Oh, it's... Okay, that's soy sauce. Okay, and then this must be the vinegar that I like to dip them in. Okay, and that's a soy sauce, I think. That's the vinegar sauce. Ooh. Okay. That'll probably be what Chad wants to dip it in, soy sauce. And then this is the vinegar sauce that I like.
I actually kind of also like the vinegar too.
Oh, you do like it?
Yeah.
Oh, well, we can share.
In fact, it says right here vinegar and then soy sauce.
It says on there. Okay.
Read, Ma, read.
Read. It says on there. That's cute. I didn't see it. Soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
All right, let's give this a little. Oh, here you go. Let's give these ones a try. Okay.
Okay.
Cheers.
Boom.
Boom. Some of my juice came out already, but that's okay. That was really good. You take a bite, and you can just taste like a nice, just natural flavor of pork. It's really good. I like the juice that's in there. Makes it, oh.
Or redder.
I think it's the bowl that it's in. Some places will serve you with like a reddish vinegar.
Yeah.
I think it's rice vinegar with a little bit of ginger, and then some places just serve you like this. But
Nice, good skin too.
Okay. Those are pretty delicious. I like them. You take a bite, you get a nice little burst of juice in there and stuff, and they're really good. The skin on there is very nice, very soft. It just kind of melts in your mouth when you're eating it. It's so good.
Not too hard.
No,
Not too chewy.
no, it's. I think it's really good, nice and fresh. They make them to order. The soup dumplings, they make them to order, and these beautiful things, they also make to order.
So I'll have one more, then you have the rest.
Yeah, that's okay. Yep, those look delicious.
It'll be even.
They're hot. I just tried to touch it, and they're hot. But look at how good and delicious they are. Woo! Oh, the skin feels nice and crispy. I like how they laid it out. Very, very nice presentation of the food and everything. Very beautiful. I'm really excited to try it. It seems like there's shrimp in there. There's cabbage. There's
All kinds of yumminess.
all kinds of yummy food in there. And then they got a nice little sour dipping sauce. I'm pretty positive that's like a sweet and sour dipping sauce.
Looks like it.
Looks good, huh?
Yeah.
Yep. This looks so delicious. It's hot, you guys. But anyway, I want to try this one more time with the
Try it with
juice.
the soy sauce. Cheers.
Oh, that was crispy. Nice.
Nice taste of everything, a mix of cabbage. What are these?
Purple cabbage too.
Yeah.
Regular cabbage, purple cabbage, carrots,
Little noodles, and the
shrimp.
shrimp is nice too.
Yeah. That looks good.
Yeah.
And you don't want to dip it in that?
No.
No. Looks good. Nice and crispy. My goodness. Yummy. See the nice shrimp. Oh, it fell in there. Oh well, let's just scoop it out. That'll probably be good enough. Very good. Oh, chow mein, yay! Yummy.
Okay.
Thank you.
Done with this, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay. Okay. The other two dishes came out, the crispy beef and the chow mein. It has shrimp and beef in it. Chad is confused. He don't know what to try. What should he try?
Honestly,
What do you think?
the crispy beef first, because I haven't tried that one yet.
This looks so delicious. What do you think, Chad? Is it crispy?
Yeah.
Give myself just a little bit.
Got some. It's crispy. That's good. That's part of the name. And it's got some good sauce. Don't know how to explain it.
Need a little bit more rice. You got a lot of soy sauce there.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Okay, let's see. Just try the crispy beef by itself. Okay. Okay, it was crispy, so it took a minute for the full flavor to just explode in my mouth. It was, that was very interesting. That was very good though. I recommend that one, the crispy beef. Come here. And I like to eat it with a little bit of rice, which that was a fail.
Yeah.
Chad probably had the best idea of the spoon, but anyway, there you go. The beef is very tender, but yet it has some kind of breading that makes it crispy at first.
Yeah.
And it's not dry, pretty juicy. Like after you get through all the crispiness, you can just taste like an explosion of flavor in my mouth. That's how, for me. I like the little carrot in there. I can taste the carrot too, actually.
That's good.
Yeah, it's really good. Wow, crispy beef. I like it.
Yes.
Yummy. Beef chow mein or just, shrimp?
Yeah.
Shrimp chow mein.
You're getting all your meats messed up.
Well, there is beef in there.
Yeah. Or beef and shrimp, I guess.
Well, anyway. Alright. Chow mein. Oh, I said that there was shrimp and beef in here. There's also chicken. Nice. There's some chicken. There you go. This is a nice big plate that they give you. Okay, Chad.
Let's try some noodles and the shrimp.
Noodles and shrimp. All right. Get back here.
Thank you.
Woo, my goodness gracious almighty. That was a big old bite, boy. All right. Let's see here. Chow mein with beef, chicken, and shrimp. And I got some chicken. I didn't get the shrimp. Let me try the shrimp too. I'm gonna have a shrimp and chicken and some noodles. That was a big amount. Shrimp and chicken and some noodles. The noodles are very tender. The chicken was very tender, and I like the shrimp also was really good. The noodles are tender and chewy. And yeah, I can see the little smoky flavor that is in there. And as everything else, like a little bit of onions and carrots. Delicious. I like it.
No, Ma, you don't see it. You taste it.
Oh, I taste it. Yeah.
You
The
can't
chicken
see.
is nice. Let's see. There's the beef. Yeah. Yeah. See, the beef is nice and soft. Not hard. Very, very easy to eat. Yeah, I think this is a good Chinese place to come. China Mama off of Jones. It's actually across the street from the Fuku Burger and the Pho for Real place that we went to, the 168 Market. It's on Jones, and as always, all the information will be in the description below if you guys ever come to Vegas and want to try this yummy food. Because this is yummy.
Or if you're already in Vegas.
Maybe you are. Whew, alright. So full, we just didn't even know what to do. We just got in the car and came on home.
Yeah.
We brought some home too. But, well, you know, that was like a traditional type Chinese food. Everything was pretty good. Actually, even the tea had like really nice flavor. I didn't mention that earlier, and I meant to, and I forgot. But yeah, it was good. Recommended place, China Mama. All the information will be in the description below. And we hope you guys enjoyed our video, and thank you so much. And we hope you enjoyed our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day. Mmm, yummy. All right, go check it out if you guys like it. Well, you have a good day. Bye. Mwah. Love you all.